This conference will now be recorded.
Fine. So last time we are learning about fixed assets. So fixed asset acquisition. We understood fixed asset acquisition. That means purchase of fixed asset. That is called acquisition in the system. Next, depreciation. Next one is depreciation. Depreciation can be done in two different ways. One is based on the straight line, another one is reducing balance. There are two methods. We did it last Friday. We understood about these methods. Depreciation calculation, how to do it, we understood. Let me go back and let me show you that depreciation calculations. So let me close this one. Let me close. I'm here. Fixed assets. Give me a second. It is refreshing completely the screen. So we'll go to this our company which we have created. So I'm going here, fixed assets. Let me show you the fixed asset, how it was posted. What are the transactions posted? So if you go to the books, if you go to the current layer, this is current layer. In the current layer, what are the transactions means? One is acquisition and 6 months depreciation, we did it. One is acquisition 6,000, depreciation for 6 months, each month 100, 100, 100, because life is 5 years. So in this, if you observe here, it was updated like placed in service 1/1, depreciation run date, last run date, it was updated 1/1/2021, it was updated, and date of when depreciation was run means up to 60, like June 30th it was executed. Total 60 periods. Out of 60 periods, remaining periods are 54. Everything will be calculated here. Everything will be calculated here. Okay, in the tax layer, so it is depreciation is execute placed in service on 1/1, same it was updated, but here there is no life everything, because this is a percentage of the depreciation is 50%. And if you verify, the depreciation is calculated 250, 250, 250, because for 6,000 depreciation for 50% means 3,000. 3,000 divided by 12 means it is $250. This was calculated. And for this entire thing, if you want to see in the front end, you can see from valuations, which is not available in 2012 previous version. This grid report is not exist, to be frankly. But in D365, Microsoft has made flexibility to view the valuations of the fixed assets in different layers. One is current layer, another one is tax layer. So acquisition is same, but depreciation here it is 600 and here it is depreciation is 1500. So net book value means acquisition value minus depreciation is net book value, it is 4500. In this acquisition value minus depreciation it is 5400. Not only this one, you can see if you go to books, you can see here profile. So it will show you how it will be going to be depreciated. It is 100 100 100 like this, it is posting. So it will show you the depreciation for the future months. This is profile, depreciation profile. Using the report, you can see how it is going to be deducted. Next, for tax layer also, if you want to see, you can see the profile. Initially it is 250, next year it is 125. Look at this one. Next year it is 125 because 3000 divided by 2 means 1500. 1500 by 12 means it is 125. And you can see the balances also. It is kind of grid or reports, small kind of reports. You can see the balances. What are the valuation you are seeing in the like fixed asset? The same thing you are able to see here. So this form is populated in the valuations form, the same. Okay, in inquiries, you can see the some more details if you want. Inventory transactions kind of thing. Okay, fine. So this is a kind of grid report kind of things you can see. So we have acquired the fixed asset and we have depreciated for this item into like one is like straight line depreciation, another one is reducing balance. Now I want to sell this item. After some time, I'm planning to sell this item. Then it is disposal of sale. That is called disposal of sale. So for disposal of sales, we acquired this fixed asset using fixed asset journal. Depreciation also we have executed fixed asset journal. And disposal of sale also we can do fixed asset journal. Disposal of sales also using fixed asset journal we can do, but in general the best practice is this will be done using purchase order process, and usually this will be done using fixed asset journal. Understood? This is the difference. One is through purchase order, another one is fixed asset journal. Okay, so let me show this one first, normal, using this process. Later we'll create a purchase order, we'll acquire the fixed asset, and we'll do the depreciations, and we'll do the disposal of sale using, sorry, not fixed asset journal, this is what I'm writing here, free text noise. Understood high level inputs? Any doubt in this? Anyone? At least are you able to hear me? Yes or no, please?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let me show you using this fixed asset, normal fixed asset journal, how to do a disposal of sale. So if you want to do disposal of sale, we need to map the posting profiles, the setups. That is important. I have mapped here. If you go inside the setups, posting profiles, this is one-time job, one-time setup. We have mapped, one is acquisition, next disposal, like depreciation we have mapped, acquisition and depreciation we have mapped. Now disposal of sale I need to map. Disposal of sale I need to map. Click new, book I need to select, disposal of sale, and here disposal of sale. Give me a second. It will be 6 series usually. Let me enter asset. Six series. I want to map the relevant ledger account. That is the reason I'm taking time. Otherwise, it may be written as tangible something. It should not be depreciation, or it should be 8 series maybe. Gain or loss of disposal of assets. This is the realistic. I'm selling this item, so I'm going to depreciate I'm going to sell this item 180, 100. We have whatever you have acquired, that account we are mapping 180, 100. Whenever you are purchasing, it is posting this account, and whenever you are selling, it should be posted to this account. So anyhow, this is the accounts will be, you can get the information from your client, that is accountants. They will give the information. You need not to worry about this, but I want to show the perfect example. That is the reason I have created like this. Next, not only this one. So we have mapped earlier equation setups. Fine. Equation setups. Next, depreciation setups you have mapped. Next, disposal of sale you have mapped. Good. Along with this one, you need to map downside also. Net book value you need to map. Net book value you need to map the postings. This is must. Understood? We have mapped like this. Not only the net book value, based on the client requirement report, you need to define some more as well. Some more as well. What are those means? Acquisition this year, acquisition previous year, depreciation this year, depreciation previous year. That is also, if it is required, if customer is asking, then you need to map. Acquisition this year. Little bit big exercise for you. Acquisition this year. Acquisition this year. Acquisition previous year. Little bit big exercise. The report customer, if they want, we need to map all these things. So we are mapping acquisition previous year. Give me a second. Let me go to INMF and let me verify how it was mapped. Just for sample. Netbook value mapped, only netbook value. I think they have mapped only netbook value. Okay. And it was mapped with netbook value. But I'm mapping more IAL. Let me go to ESM company. Give me a second. Let me go to USMF as well. Let me verify. Netbook value. Now, apart from this, netbook value is must. We need to map it. Apart from this netbook value, anything setups mapped or not, I'm just verifying. Okay, depreciation equation this year means $180. Depreciation years, it was mapped like this. Equation. Okay. Let me go to IAL company. Netbook value is fine, but acquisition usually it was mapped with 180, 100. Give me a second. It is refreshing this screen. Sometimes what happens if you use backspace, it will go for this one. This is a major one of the drawback. If it is a web-based application, the link is going here. Give me a second. It is refreshing. Let me go to the fixed asset module. Setups. Okay, fixed asset posting profiles. So for normal, one is equations this year. equation this year, it is, this ledger account should be this one. Next, depreciation this year, depreciation previous year. This is not mandatory. Net book value is must you need to map. Depreciation this year and depreciation previous year, it is not mandatory. If you want, you can map it, otherwise you can skip. Okay, depreciation previous years, it is coming automatically. This will be 180,200. Depreciation account is 180,200, and this is loss account, loss or gain. Depreciation previous year we are mapping, depreciation current year also will map it. You need to have patience, that's it for this one. Next, depreciation current year also I need to map. Give me a second. The cursor will be moved to up, then it will be easy for me if it is from the starting point. Depreciation previous year we have mapped, depreciation this year I need to map. So now I'm just refreshing. So it will be shown all in sequence now. Look at this one. For building one, this one, net book value, equation this year, equation previous year, depreciation previous year, depreciation this year. 5 mapped. This depreciation previous year, depreciation this year, equation previous year, equation this year, these are not mandatory. Net book values must you need to map. Understood? Any doubt in this? Because the books report, the client report, whenever they want our fixed asset books, they want to submit to the government authorities. At that time, whatever the format they want, that you need to collect from the customer very first, and based on that you need to map these things. Only they want this year only, then you can map only this year net book value. In the report they want depreciation previous year and acquisition previous years also, then you can generate. Like this, 5 ledger accounts for each book you have mapped.
Satya, I would like to see the report, like which report they refer normally.
Okay, so if it is not exist, we need to do a customization also sometimes. I will show you. For any organization, for any legal entity, they will generate a report, fixed assets, collapse all, inquiries and reports. Look at this one, fixed asset books. Not landing report, asset equations, disposals, basis, transaction movement, fixed asset balances, fixed asset statement. Most probably this one correct. So if it is not exist, I will show you in the Excel file. Don't worry, give me a minute, because this is most important for fixed asset module. So starting date, I will make 01/01/21. What happened? 01/01/21. 12/31/21. I'm not making any filters. I'm clicking OK. So usually they will call fixed asset book. That book will consist of all the details. So I hope this statement is that one only, because whenever I'm implementing, at that time I used to collect the report whatever they are maintaining, the fixed asset book.
Okay, one doubt.
Yeah.
During month-end activities, depreciation of asset posting will be done.
Yes, one of the activity. depreciation should be posted every month. That is, if you post it, that will show accurate balance report. Why it is not showing anything? There is no data now. Why? You have acquired a fixed asset. Give me a second. Let me regenerate fixed asset statement. Let me see what are the, at least we have acquisition value and depreciation. Row name, book name. Second time it will be quickly generated. No. Okay, let me verify fixed asset balances. If it is not generating, we will discuss that one later. First, let me focus on disposal of sale, and then we'll discuss about this report. Yeah. Yes, this one only. Balances. Fixed asset group, fixed asset number, name, book, layer, status, acquisition, if it is special anything, okay, depreciation, and then revaluation, write up, write down, profit, net book value. In this, if they want something, we need to add also net book value. So if it is a issue is happened, like a disposal of sale is happened, it will show you here. So this report here, net book value only it is coming. But if they want acquisition this year, acquisition previous year, depreciation this year, depreciation previous year, then you need to incorporate here. So for that, we need to map this one. This is the book. Understood?
Yes, Satya.
Okay, fine. Now we have mapped so much time. It is, we need a lot of patience because in real time scenario, there is at least 10 groups or 15 groups. So for each group, we need to create 10 groups, suppose, then 10 multiply with 2 layers, 20, 20, 20 into 5, you need to map. And that means 100, 20 into 500. So those things we need to map along with normal disposal of sale. Along with the disposal of sale, this is normal acquisition, depreciation, disposal of sale, but this is based on your report requirement. Now I'm doing disposal of sale. Let me take duplicate. Fixed assets, journals, fixed asset journals, fixed assets. So not this one, fixed asset journal. I clicked by mistakenly. Different one. Give me a second. Journal entries, fixed asset journal entries. So acquisition we have created. Depreciations, 2 different depreciations we have created. Now I want to create disposal of sale. For that, we don't have any journal name. we need to create disposal of sale. Let me create a disposal of sale journal. So we know like journals where we need to create journal names. Go to general ledger, journal in like journal names. In this we need to create one more journal name for fixed asset disposal of sale. Disposal of sale. So in system, in Microsoft, in fixed asset terminology, we are using fixed asset disposal of sale, but actually it is a sale of fixed asset. Simple. Fixed asset sale. So same post fixed assets, the same journal type will be used. There is no change in this one. Post fixed assets only. But we are creating for differentiate different journal names we are creating. New fixed asset disposal of sale or fixed asset sale. Company, IAL company. Now fixed asset sale. FAS I'm using. Continuous. Now save. Fixed asset sale. Okay. So now I'm creating fixed asset disposal of sale or fixed asset sales. Selecting lines. Now I'm doing disposal of sale for the fixed asset laptop. This is I'm selling at the rate of 4,150 something. 4,150. I'm selling at the rate of 4,150. Okay, I'm just validating. Simulate posting. That means posting with any issues. I'm just checking. Everything is okay. There is no problems. Okay, now I'm posting. So journal is okay. Now I'm posting. This is normal disposal of sale. Disposal of scrap means with 0 value. That's it. Now, if you verify the vouchers, so there are many transactions. Ultimately, one is 4,150 posted, and it was posted to this account. Okay, actually this is small mistake I did it. We are selling to the customer. We need to select the customer account. This is usually it should not be a ledger account. Let me show you here. We need to select the customer offset account. We should not map the ledger account. We should map to the customer, because for customer we are selling. It is a small mistake, no issues. So it will become as a customer account because we are selling to the customer. Okay, now look at this one. This all 6,000 was reversed. All 4,500 reversed, and 600 is reversed. All, and with 4,150 it was posted now. So from here you cannot get clear picture what is happening. We cannot get clear picture. System will take care about all these things. It was posted properly, but you cannot imagine. But if you go to fixed assets, then if you go to fixed asset master, click on fixed asset. From here it will be very clear about the transactions. Let me go to books. From books I will open the fixed transactions, then you will understand clearly. Equation value, depreciations, now disposal of sale. But net book value is 5,400 because 6,000 minus 600 is 5,400. The loss is 1,250. And equation this year, depreciation this year. The look and feel will be easy here. Try to understand the profit or loss, because the net book value is 5,400, but you have sold at the rate of 4,150. The difference is a loss for your item. This is 1,250 for the current layer. If you go to the tax layer, transactions, the loss is 350 only. The loss is 350 because net book value is 4,500 and you have sold at the rate of 4,150. Loss is 350, and the equation this year and depreciation this year. Understood? Any doubt in this? Anyone? Any doubts? Yeah. Can anyone unmute yourself and speak? Whether you are able to follow me, at least you are able to hear me or not.
Yes, Satya. It's just that everything is so clear when you're saying, but I'm just a little worried when I try to practice. It's going to raise so many questions.
Yeah.
But it is very clear.
Okay, fine. So if you have any questions, even the completed topic also you can ask me. No issues. In the sessions you can ask me the class clarifications. Even it is completed like 1 week before, 10 days before, because once the sessions are over, you cannot ask me. That is the main concern. Of course, there is one group, WhatsApp group. I will add your all members in the group so that you can raise any doubts, clarifications, you can raise in that group. And my senior students, like 5 years back, 6 years back, who learned from me, they will respond usually. If it is very rare cases, I will respond. If it is really complex scenario, I will attempt. If it is a small scenarios, I usually don't touch. People will
How long did
respond.
we have this classes, Satya?
So
How many more classes do we have?
so most probably another 2 weeks minimum to minimum, and based on the situation it may be extended 1 week or maybe 2 weeks. That is I cannot give, but that tentative date is this month end, but it may be extended. There is a chance, because based on people are asking if it is, because now we are closing the sessions slowly. We are close to close. Then sometimes people will ask many questions. Then first I need to give clarifications rather than the course content. The first priority is, because whatever you have learned, that should be practiced and come back to me with questions. So that is tentatively this month end, but it may be extended. I'm not giving you the date, any date now, because if you are referring and if you are verifying, if you are asking questions, I need to give answer to that first. Okay, I'm not only for you, everyone. I'm telling you, please practice. Please go through recording sessions. Come back to me. Yes, please.
Satya didn't add my number to the group. What you told?
Yeah, I will share. I will add. No issues.
Okay.
Not
Okay.
now. Not now. Who is this actually?
I'm Manohar here.
So I have not added till now. I will add all the members. It is not
Yeah.
started yet, so I will
Yeah.
add in that big group. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
And
Yeah.
Satya, how
Yes.
long will we have the access to your recorded videos?
So minimum 6 months. Minimum 6 months at least.
And during
may-
that period also, since to be very honest, I just now I'm getting hang of the system and trying to open an account and maneuver around, open a company. I'm sure that I'll have plenty of questions. As you said, whenever I get an opportunity during our live session, I'll ask you. But after that, the opportunity that you're providing us, that you'll be putting us in a group chat where we can raise questions. Hopefully,
Yeah.
that group chat will be of great help to everyone, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Definitely. So sometimes in one more scenario, sometimes particularly in USA, Australia, or Canada, or UK, some kind of people, they will ask me for ask for project support. If it is a project support, you can approach me in one-to-one. I will give you that one. That will be different charges, but it is a little bit higher charges. But for abroad people, it is a small amounts, nothing. But for Indian people, it is costly. So you can approach me if you want really one-to-one sessions. It is per hour charges.
And also, Satya, I want to go for the certification courses. Looks like I
Yeah.
have to do certifications, MB300, MB310. So after
Yeah.
taking this course, what else is there that I should do to make sure that I do well in those certifications?
So you can ping me in one. You can ping me in one-to-one. I can guide you. Different ways are there. I can
Okay.
guide you. I'm not going to teach you. I can guide you on that one. You can ping me in
Awesome.
WhatsApp one-to-one.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do that. Thank you, Satya.
You're welcome. Fine. Now we understood, like if you verify the valuations also, if you verify the valuations, net book value will become 0. Because disposal of sale, depreciation, loss for current layer, it is 1250. Loss for tax layer, it is 350, and the values. Even it is in reporting currency also, silently it is posting. We are not focusing, but it is posting with the conversions. This is disposal of sale. So disposal of sale, what I have shown you using fixed asset journal. All this I have shown using fixed asset journals only. But in real time scenario, if it is a small piece, small items, definitely we can use fixed asset journal. If it is a bigger items, we will go for purchase order process. And sales process means Selling of the item means free text invoice. This it will be covered tomorrow. And apart from this one more inventory to fixed assets. So I need to show you, till now you have learned fixed asset journal. Now I need to show you purchase order, depreciation, next free text invoice. This is a real-time scenario. In real-time scenario, you will have more utilization process is this one. Through purchase order, you will acquire the fixed asset. Depreciations will be posted through journals, and the sale of the fixed asset using like free text invoice. This is the actual scenario. Earlier you learned, till now it is a sample scenario, means small items, then you will use this function. So this function I will show you most probably tomorrow. Okay, I will show
Satya,
you.
any entries are there in this?
Sorry,
Any entries are there in this?
this process.
Yes, in this process.
Yeah, same entries. There will not be much. I'm going to show you tomorrow. I will show you. So then you will understand what exactly how to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So till now you learned only journals. Using journals, you need to acquire fixed asset. Depreciation using different depreciation methods. Using depreciation, your journal you are creating, and disposal of sale. This is normal you have used, but in real-time scenario, this is not the actual scenario. Actual scenario is this one. You are going to learn tomorrow. Yeah. Anything else, team? Anyone? So if nothing, then we'll connect once again tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. AST. See you. Bye.
Thank you, Satya.
You're welcome.